Hey guys, welcome back to Manjulicious. My name is Manjula and today I'm going to show you how to cook an authentic Sri Lankan style chicken curry. This is a very popular dish in Sri Lanka and it's packed with lots and lots of flavors. I've been cooking this dish for many years now and every time I cook this dish it reminds me of Sri Lanka, my childhood and my mom's cooking. This curry goes well with roti, bread or rice. Let's get on with the ingredients. I'm using 1 tablespoon of homemade chicken curry powder. In my future videos, I will show you guys how to make it. 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder. This gives the curry a beautiful red vibrant color. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 10 to 12 fenugreek seeds, 2 pieces of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, ginger garlic paste 1.5 teaspoon each, 1 chopped small onion, pandan leaves and the curry leaves. These are must in Sri Lankan cooking. 1 medium tomato chopped, salt according to your taste. Here I'm using coconut vinegar, about 1.5 teaspoon. I like to use coconut vinegar because it gives an authentic flavor to the dish. But if you don't have coconut vinegar, you can always use white pine vinegar or red wine vinegar. Coconut oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Again, if you can't find any coconut oil, you can always use any kind of vegetable oil. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Alright guys, I hope you guys got the ingredients. Now let's start with the marinating. Now I'm gonna marinate these chicken pieces with all these beautiful spices. Starting off with the curry powder, chili powder, the turmeric, pepper, fenugreek seeds, cinnamon, some salt. I like to mix the chicken with my hands. For mixing purposes, I'm using a glove. Before I start mixing, I'm going to add some vinegar, about 1.5 teaspoon. Now I'm going to mix this really well. When you mix, I always think it's best to use your hands rather than any utensils. I just want to massage this chicken into this beautiful spice mixture. It's nicely mixed now, so I'm gonna leave this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Here I have a clay pot on medium heat. When I cook Sri Lankan dishes, I like to use clay pots. I think it gives an authentic flavor to the dish. I'm gonna add the coconut oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. When the oil is nice and warm, I'm adding the ginger garlic paste. I like that sizzling sound. Curry leaves and the pandan leaves. Fry this for a few seconds. The chopped onion. I absolutely love the smell of fried onions, the rumper, the curry leaf, ginger garlic paste. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna fry this until I see the onions become translucent and when I start smelling the beautiful aromas of all the spices. As you guys can see now, the onions started to spreading off a little bit. Now I'm adding the marinated chicken pieces. Mix really, really well. Now at this stage, I'm not adding any liquid. I'm just gonna mix it and cover it. And cook for like 1 to 2 minutes. Now this is after 1 minute. Stir well. And now I'm adding the tomatoes. At this stage, you can add the water. Mix really well. Now this is after 5 minutes. Look at this. I'm gonna mix a little bit. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Let's check our curry. Oh my god, the smell is amazing. Now this is after 10 minutes. Let this cook for another few more minutes and then we are adding the coconut milk. Now this is after 15 minutes. As you guys can see, the gravy has become very thick with all the beautiful spices in it. At this stage, we are going to add the coconut milk. This smells really beautiful. Look at this, guys. After I add the coconut milk, I like to cook it without the lid. Once you add the coconut milk, you need to start stirring constantly. So we're gonna cook this for maybe 5 to 6 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. Keep stirring. My whole kitchen smells really nice. Very, very thick gravy. I can smell all the beautiful spices. So we cook for about approximately 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. I think it's less than 30 minutes. So I'm gonna turn the heat off. Alright guys, the chicken curry is ready. Let's do the tasting and see how it is. This tastes absolutely delicious. Chicken is really moist and tender because we use the bone-in skin on chicken pieces, and the flavors are bursting in my mouth. You got a very thick gravy here because we use the coconut milk. It gives a nice rich creamy consistency to the dish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do try this at home and let me know how you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and give me a like, and I will see you soon with another great recipe. Bye for now.